How's it going, boys? So in the following video, I'm going to share with you a small trick that worked for me in order for me to get much harder erections. Now, I don't know how old you are, but you probably know if you are already in your 30s or older than that, and you're feeling a little bit tired, you exhaust yourself during the day, you probably know that your erections are not going to be as hard as when you're fully rested. And a lot of the times you want to have harder erections because it makes you more sensitive, your partner enjoys it more, and it's just a win-win for everybody. So if you've watched my previous videos, you know that I've been using penis stretchers for a while. So this is my penis stretcher that I use, and I was using it for different purposes. So I started using it for two main purposes. The first one is the obvious penis enlargement, but the second one is that it was bringing back the sensitivity and recovering the sensitivity for the head of my penis, because I got circumcised and lost a lot of sensitivity after circumcision. So I was really getting a lot of benefits from this device by, getting bigger and getting more sensitive. But one of the side effects or another positivity for this device is that I actually started getting much harder erections. Now, the reason for that is us men during the day, we're usually wearing tight underwear. I don't know about you, but I like the tight underwear. Just like when you go to the gym, you stretch yourself and that keeps you flexible and keeps you healthy and keeps your body functioning properly. The same way for your penis. So a lot of people neglect that, and wearing tight clothes for a prolonged period of time actually affects your erection negatively. Now, what that device does is stretch back your penis to the size it's supposed to be at, which when you stretch it, you kind of allow more blood to go in, and that will result in harder erections. Now, you can probably achieve the same result using jelqing exercises or perhaps using pills, but I wanted to achieve this result naturally, and I realized that with the jelqing exercises, I kind of forget them all the time, and they take time compared to just putting on this device and wearing it for an hour a day or so, and that would fix my problem and give me a bunch of other improvements. So this is what I found the most helpful. And before you go ahead and you buy a penis stretcher, I highly recommend you. I've made all the mistakes before you, okay? I purchased like 3 or 4 of them until I found the one that actually works, because it's comfortable to wear for a long period of time, and it's actually high quality and will last you for years. So the one I used is this Spinmaster. I reviewed it in previous videos, and it's literally the best you can buy. There's nothing that even comes close to it. It's a German company and it's made in Germany, and you probably know about German engineering, I don't have to tell you. It's just a very quality product. It's not cheap, but it's a payment that you pay kind of once, maybe once in a year or so. So it's not really a big expense, and I'm going to put a link for this device down in the description. So I want to ask you guys, have you ever had erection problems in the past, and how did you fix them? So please let me know in the comments. And if you want me to make more videos like this one, where I share some insights and discoveries that I found, please leave a like so that I know that you like the video. And if you're not yet already subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload new videos. And anyways, I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.